Can I install a PS4 graphics card in my PC?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a pretty interesting topic. Can you install a PS4 graphics card in your PC? This is a question that has been popping up a lot recently, and today we're going to put it to rest.
What is a PS4 graphics card?
The PS4 graphics card is an integral part of Sony's PlayStation 4 console. It's a custom AMD Radeon chip that's built into the system. It's not a separate, removable component like a PC graphics card. The PS4's design is significantly different from a PC's, which impacts the compatibility of its components.
Can you remove the PS4 graphics card?
Straightforward answer: no, you can't. The PlayStation 4 graphics card is soldered onto the console's motherboard, making it impossible to remove without advanced skills and tools, and even if you manage to, it would render the PS4 inoperative.
Can the PS4 graphics card work in a PC?
Again, the answer is a resounding no. Apart from the challenge of physically extracting the graphics chip, it simply wouldn't work within a PC's architecture. It's a custom chip designed specifically to work within the PS4 system, with specific drivers and firmware that are not compatible with PC systems.
What should you do instead?
If you're looking to improve your PC's graphics capabilities, your best bet is to purchase a dedicated PC graphics card. They are designed specifically for PCs, they come in a variety of performance levels, and they have the appropriate drivers and software to function correctly in a PC environment. We hope this clears up the question: can I install a PS4 graphics card in my PC? The answer, unfortunately, is no. But don't fret, there are plenty of PC-compatible graphics cards out there to suit any need or budget. Thanks for joining us, and as always, keep exploring and keep asking great questions.